Penny here with SwissWatchExpo, looking at two of our Patek Philippe Golden Ellipse watches, both with the blue sunburst dials. These watches are classic Patek Philippe. Originally released in the 1970s, the Golden Ellipse watch was based off of Greek mathematical principles, where we get the golden ratio from. We also get the Golden Ellipse from. Nowadays, it's a lot of the times just known as the Ellipse. The watch that I'm wearing is actually the men's size, so it's kind of a little bit more of a mid-sized watch nowadays. And the one on the table that I have is the ladies' size, and you can see once I kind of put them next to each other just how different they are in size. So if you are a lady looking for a Patek Philippe watch and you want something a little bit bigger than the traditional watch size, definitely look at the men's sizes because they absolutely feel and fit so well on a woman's wrist. Patek Philippe watches are known for their incredible bespoke watch craftsmanship, and the minute you put them on you just feel like $1,000,000 because they're just so elegant and they feel so wonderful on the wrist. Check these two watches out and all of our other Patek Philippe watches at SwissWatchExpo.com.